So ito po yung outcome ng ating refrigerator challenge. And remember this, guys, this is our daikon and ginger achara. Salmon kikiam, everyone. Enjoy! Hey everybody, you know when you realize you open your fridge and there's really not much to cook? Things like this happen during like end of the week, end of the month, and you suddenly realize that you want to cook something but kulang-kulang yung mga ingredients nyo. Well, it happened today. I wanted to cook something but I don't have much. So I'm going to show you what I have in my fridge. I pulled the things that I know I wanted to use, and ayaw mong itapon, but it's not the portions are not big enough to make a one good dish. So yung mga bits and pieces of everything, you put them together and you come up with something. So I'm gonna show you what I have, okay? Wala nga akong bawang. I don't even have garlic. So I have garlic powder, I think. So let's see what we can come up with. All right? Well, I found this in the freezer. It's not even a pound of salmon fillet, which I already thawed. Tinunaw ko na po. I have 2 of these onions. Oh, I have serrano peppers. 1 tomato. 7 pieces of these tiny potatoes. And isang green bell pepper. A portion of radish or daikon. Ginamit ko yung part niyan dun sa sizzling bopis, lemons, and ginger. And I know I have a few herb and spices that I will use. Okay? Let's come up with a dish. Alright? Join me. Then let's add about 3 tablespoons of the sweet cooking rice seasoning wine. Tiny bit of salt and ground pepper. Let's add 1 tablespoon of our vinegar. Let's add another tablespoon of the sweet cooking rice seasoning. And I will wrap this with a plastic wrap and chill it in the fridge while we're working on the rest of the ingredients. Okay, I used the pulse and pulsed it for a few minutes until the liquid came out from the onion and the tomatoes. 3 of the potatoes. Make sure that the potatoes are already pureed with the onions and the tomato. Season it with salt, about a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of ground pepper. And let's add the salmon and pulse again. Okay, this time don't puree the salmon all the way. Just press the pulse at least 4 to 8 times to make the salmon chunky. All-purpose flour, cornstarch, one egg white, pulse again. And this is how the texture should look like. These are the remaining potatoes that we peeled earlier, and I cut it into thin matchstick sizes. And I'm just going to combine them. This will give our dish a texture. Just make sure that the oil is hot up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, but keep adjusting the temperature because you don't want to have a very hot oil resulting into burn outside the crust, but the inside is raw. Remember, this is fish. So this is about 3 minutes. Okay, this is about 2 tablespoons of the batter, and I'm using a spatula to release the fish because I want it to look like chicken wings. You want to make sure that the outside is brown, golden brown, but then make sure that the inside is also cooked. That's why it is important to adjust the heat. Ayaw nyo ng mainit yung mantika, masusunog yung labas, pero yung loob, hilaw. Alright? This is about 2 minutes into cooking. So ito po yung outcome ng ating refrigerator challenge. Huwag nyo itatapon yung mga pira-pirasong natira sa refrigerator nyo. And you know you can always come up with something. Just check out my Facebook page, my YouTube channel, or my Instagram under Chef Ron Bilaro. And for sure, makakakita po kayo ng ideas na pwede nyo gamitin sa bahay. I will slice this thinly and we will call it salmon kikiam. And remember this, guys, this is our daikon and ginger achara. Salmon kikiam, everyone. Enjoy! Okay, everybody, thank you very much for watching the cooking video. You can expect there will be a lot more cooking videos coming your way. To all the new subscribers of Chef Ron Bilaro YouTube channel, maraming salamat po and welcome. Shout out to my Instagram friends, and syempre hindi ko malilimutan ang mga followers, especially mga new followers ng Chef Ron Bilaro Facebook page. Maraming salamat po for always pressing the like, giving me positive comments, and sharing my cooking videos. Alright, until the next dish, Ron Bilaro po. Love you guys. Bye!